Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing a spring edition of Empties and what I have replaced them with. These videos always do quite well on the channel and I love sharing product empties because as someone who tests and reviews skincare products, I'm sure you are all eager to see what I have emptied and what I have replaced it with. I have the Vetted Derm Lab Cleanser. First of all, I love this packaging. The formula was really nice, lathered beautifully. It removed SPF, makeup, grime, debris without stripping or drying the skin. This was very easy to empty. Pump form. I did drop it, I want to say 2 times in the shower and shatter did it not. So amazing, beautiful, very simple packaging. The formula, I would say it is lathery and it's quite thick, but it's still lathered beautifully and removed easily. I have replaced it with something that I am almost running out of as well. The Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. This is makeup erasing and deep cleansing. Very, I want to say, similar formulas in as far as how they lather and how they remove. As far as formula, this is not as thick as the Vetted Derm Lab product. This does have a slight blueberry-like scent. I do love the pump. I actually have been enjoying the color purple this year. I always typically gravitate towards like browns and neutrals and yellows, but purple has been my jam. I don't know why, but I have really enjoyed this as well. Do I prefer one over the other? Not really. I like them both the same. They both worked equally as well. I haven't had any irritation or stripping from either. I was kind of sad to empty this just because it's just beautiful packaging. So if aesthetically pleasing products are your speed, this is a great one if you enjoyed lathery products. Love. This is really good too. And I have clearly loved it quite a bit. I was not going to let this go to waste. The SkinCeuticals C&E Ferulic Combination Antioxidant L-ascorbic Vitamin E and Ferulic Acid Serum. I reviewed this on my channel. I will link the review up above. I used this all over for the initial product review. I do not think that this is worth $185 considering the packaging, like, so it's just not worth it. But it still didn't irritate or cause any harm to my skin. After I introduced the Maylove, the Glow Maker Antioxidant Serum, I did do a split test comparison, and I feel like they both worked equally the same. And this is about $40. I will also link my review to that up above. As far as oxidation levels, I haven't used this in a minute, but yeah, this is quite oxidized now. Just as oxidized as this was at its very end. I probably need to revisit and finish this because I don't want to let this go to waste. I do want to chat about what I did test after this unit, and it was the Cocoa Kind Vitamin C Glow Serum, and I feel like this product got me into a bit of a skincare funk. When I started to use this instead of this, I just really missed this. L-ascorbic acid, I missed it. Hot dog water, I missed it. I probably just need L-ascorbic acid and not this derivative. A review of this recently went up on my channel. I will also link that up above. But if you are wondering of the two which one I prefer, it is definitely this one. I feel like what I am going to do so that this product does not go to waste is just use it on the back of my hand nightly. I feel like my hands probably look a little bit more older than the rest of my face. So that's where I will be putting this to use, and I will be revisiting this because boy, has my skin missed it. I did empty the Josie Maran Whipped Argan Pineapple Enzyme. This is one of my favorite scrubs. Not only does it smell like pineapple, the formula is really nice, perfect for sensitive skin. I do have some sensitivity with like physical exfoliant, so this did really well for me. I did replace it with the Josie Maran Whipped Argan and Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. I like to use this in the shower. I cleanse and then I work this into the skin in circular motions, and then I let it sit on the skin as I shower. I don't think I take extraordinarily hot showers, but enzymes are usually activated by steam, so any warmth that can activate and further exfoliate the skin without that physical exfoliation is always welcome by me. This does have a very soft pumpkin-like scent, and I am not eagerly waiting for fall. I am in fact eagerly waiting for summer. But I do love these Josie Maran scrubs, perfect for sensitive skin friends who can tolerate perhaps a fragrance or a scent here and there, be it natural. I will say that as far as emptying, it can be quite difficult just because the packaging is so hard, and I don't think my scissors could cut into this so I could scrape the product out. But that was, I guess, the only issue I essentially have had with this product. There is still a little bit of product in here, but it is so hard to take out and empty it. So I am just going to list it as an empty because I have tried to take the rest of this product out, and I'm not sure if maybe I can have someone like break into this, but I'm listing this as an empty because I have moved on. I have moved on from this Huda Beauty Baby Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. I have the shade Banana Bread, and I got this in a Sephora Favorites bag or kit that I reviewed for the channel. Perhaps this, if not this winter, it was probably last winter. And I thought I was going to absolutely hate this. One, because it is heavily fragranced, and I thought my skin's gonna become irritated. I am going to break out. And that did not happen. I, in fact, loved this so much because of its pore blurring and kind of brightening effects that I picked up a full-size unit. I have the shade Sugar Cookie now, which is like white translucent. It is what I am wearing on the under eye area. I do like to just set this area, and sometimes I will set the laugh lines as well. I think I very lightly set the laugh lines today, but even though I did set, I do want to mention that I have the Glow Recipe Hue drops, and that is just peeking right through that bronzy glow. So this still works, but I am still also seeing that glow, which I really, really do love. I do think that they make an unscented version of this now. So if perhaps you are dealing with enlarged pores and just kind of want to manage those where they tend to look largest, give this a go. They come in mini size as well. Again, I will mention the difficulty of fully just getting all of the powder out. Brows. So I have the Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit. I have 2 units. Both are in the shade 3.5. And these were both very kindly gifted by Benefit. I did replace it with another Precisely My Brow in the shade 3.5 as well. It is what I have on the brows today. I love this. This is one of my favorite brow products. Cannot live without. And then I also emptied the Fluff Up Brow Wax. I have emptied 2 of these. This kind of reminds me of the ColourPop Brow Wax, but this doesn't flake off and it doesn't attract fuzzies. I love it. I actually replaced this with the Precisely My Brow Wax. So this is Fluff Up Brow Wax. This is Precisely My Brow Wax. The Precisely My Brow is slightly different. This goes on clear. This has a tint to it, and the brush is also a bit different. It has like a curved side and a flat side. So this gives your brows a bit of a tint, and this kind of thickens up the brows. I do have a backup of this, but I do not have a backup of this. So once I'm through with the Precisely My Brow Wax, I will go back to this. I will say that as far as firmness, this is a little bit more firm and it holds the brows in place a lot better. Whereas this, I feel like just kind of gives you a fluffier appearance to the brows. So this is more precise and this just kind of fluffs them up. I'm not sure if any of that made any sense. I am probably one of the last people that still shaves. But I have the Billy Whipped Shave Cream. Nourishing protection for the softest, smoothest shave. Billy very generously sent this over as part of PR, along with a razor. I really like this, so I went ahead and picked one up. You can see I bought it at my local CVS. I think I just emptied this today, so I have yet to put this to use, but doesn't matter. I already love this. I literally shave like every day in the summer. And now that I have been going to the gym and wearing shorts, I shave every day. I really like this. No irritation, no razor burn or anything. I used to get loads and loads of razor burn on my legs when I was a teenager, but now I do not, and I don't know what I'm doing different really. I'm still shaving, but this hasn't irritated my legs at all. Dry shampoo. I love dry shampoo. I have subscribed to dry shampoo for years. I have tried multiple. I have emptied the Not Your Mother's Texturizing Beach Babe Dry Shampoo. This is with a toasted fragrance. Empty. Love this. And it's also drugstore. You can find it at CVS, I think. It was $8.99 or $9. It does kind of give me some white spots if I don't like zhuzh it up enough. So once I emptied this, I went ahead and tried this, the Saltaire Santal Bloom Dry Shampoo. Now, you know I've also been having a love affair with the Santal Bloom fragrance from Saltaire, and I found this at my local Target, so I was like, great, I don't even have to place an order, you're just here. I feel like out of all of the products, this was the most disappointing of what I have to share with you all today. I feel like this didn't refresh my hair enough for my liking. Even though I do go to the gym, I still just wash my hair twice a week, and I was just disappointed. I felt like this was about $12, $13, and this is about $8 to $9, and this is half the size of this practically. So I didn't love this as much as I wanted to. Like, it just felt like I needed to wash my hair after day 3, when I typically wash after like day 4. But my hair, instead of feeling refreshed, it just did not look good at all. After I emptied this, I went back to this and I bought 2 of these. So I am back to the Not Your Mother's Texturizing Beach Babe Dry Shampoo. So I think that this is definitely the best one I have tried, and I like that it's at the drugstore. I do wish that they made a formula for dark hair. And I do also want to try the new Monday dry shampoo. If I ever pick it up, I will of course update you all. I did also empty the Josie Marin Whipped Argan Oil Ultra Hydrating Body Butter. This is in vanilla apricot. I replaced it with a new, could be it, because see, I can do it right now. The Josie Marin Whipped Argan Oil in the same scent. I love this. I apply a nice amount of this before the gym just so that I look and radiate health, healthy skin. But it gives the skin a very nice sheeny glow. Moisturizes the skin effectively, softens, smooths. Skin just looks so good. Let me show you. I'll apply the tiniest amount here. And they have since recently changed their packaging, so I am just going to use what I have and then dip into the new units. Their vanilla scent, to die. To die for. Just look at that radiance here. That's what my legs look like when I'm at the gym. So yeah, this might be my favorite body butter. I know Saltaire has a body butter or a body cream, but it just does not compare to this at all. I am still emptying my Saltaire units as well. I'm working through those, but just nothing compares to this. It just looks so good. So if you have like dry skin on your body as well, try something like this. It may make your skin just look like this. I think this has replenish, condition, and revitalize the nourishing power of Josie's signature argan oil whipped to buttery perfection. This is an ultra hydrating body butter. Enriches skin with essential fatty acids and antioxidants to smooth, soften, and firm skin. Lightweight, velvety texture absorbs instantly for immediate and long-lasting nourishment. I will be using this. I am using this every day. I love this. That is all I have for my product empties. I hope you enjoyed today's video. All products will be linked down below. Let me know if you have tried any of the products I mentioned or shared with you all in today's video. Perhaps you can tell us what your skin type is, any results that you may have had with any of the skincare products I shared. Let's discuss in the comments down below. Thank you all so much for spending some time with me today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Give it a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you have yet to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Along with their razor. That's what that's called.